This is the Math 7 and Math 7 Plus video for multiplying fractions. You need your flip folder that we've been doing in class, the little foldable, and your composition. This slide you need to write in your foldable. You need to have top over bottom times top over bottom equals top times top over bottom times bottom. That's the only part you're writing in your foldable. Once you have this written down, you can put your foldable away and open up your composition for these examples. Alright, so if I'm looking at example 1, I have 2/3 times 4/9. And like it said on the slide before, you're going to multiply the two tops, so this numerator by this numerator. And so we'd have 2 times 4 over the two denominators multiplied, so 3 times 9. So we can write that 3 times 9. Now what you have to do is multiply. So 2 times 4 is 8. And then 3 times 9 is 27. So 8 over 27 is our fraction. Now you want to see if you can simplify. You can't reduce 8/27 any further because they don't share a common factor. Example 2, negative 5/6 times 5/7. So we're going to multiply our numerator by our numerator. So we're going to have a negative 5 times a positive 5. And then for our denominator times our denominator, you see that the negative is with the 5. So only one of these numbers has to be negative to make the fraction negative. If both were negative, it would become positive. So our denominators are still going to be 6 times 7. So when we multiply across, we get negative 25 over 42. And again, we can't reduce this any further because negative 25 and 42 don't share a common factor. All right, here we have a problem that has a special case. You see that the denominator of one fraction and the numerator of another fraction are the same. So here you can cross simplify. And what we're going to cross simplify by is 5 because that's what number they both are. So then this is going to become a 1, and this would become a 1. So your new fraction would be 4 over 1 multiplied by 1 over 8. And then we would, again, multiply our two numerators over our two denominators. So we have 4 times 1 over 1 times 8. And we end up with 4/8, which we know we can reduce down to 1/2. All right, so video question 1 says solve 3/4 times 4/5. A, 12/5, B, 1/20, C, 12/20, or D, 3/5. Video question 2, our final video question for this video, is negative 2/9 multiplied by a negative 6/11. Your choices are A, negative 12/99, B, 4/33, C, negative 4/33, or D, 6/9. So there isn't another question. You only have 2 questions for this video. Make sure you submit your name with your answers on your video.